July 5th, 2:50 or July 4th, 2:15 p.m. Chris Wood here. Just doing a quick update. I have not slept since yesterday. I was awake all night. I was getting what felt like electricity all in my pituitary area in the back of my head and on the right side. All day long, I've been getting nothing but burning on the right side of my head, my midbrain. It's been filling up with something. I'm having problems breathing. My lungs right now feel seriously heavy, like they're actually filled up with something. My right side does. Been more swelling to my head, to my face. I'm getting what feels like air being pumped through me. This is all being done by one Jason Gimpy, 2-Step and Allstein, one Dale Hartwick, one Ray LeBlanc, one Tony Hearns, one Bill Waldridge, alias name, one Robert Barry, his boyfriend Robert, one Blair Hardy, one Tyler Lake, one Jason Van Alstyne, all using R&M on me, all fucking doing this to me. They're all guilty of injure, torture, identity theft, identity change to me. They're guilty of murdering my mother. They're guilty of torturing my dogs. They're guilty of attempted murder on me with intent to commit identity fraud and insurance fraud. Spencer Mills, 14716, ex-chief or commander, year 2019. Shannon Cork, staff sergeants, years 2019-2021. Robert Lucas, Dave Weiss, Stacy, a mental health worker, was Napanee Daily Tea Company, now Kingston. And Shelley Hafner, sex slavery, trafficking, human trafficking, kidnapping, false arrest, sex assaults, tortures, medical blacklisting by criminal negligent doctors, organized trafficking, sex slavery framings, and murders. OPP, the ones named Weather and Napanee, are transferred, still very highly dangerous and involved. Like Stacy, mental health worker, now Kingston, left to further distance herself in hopes of deniability. Ex-CEO Wayne Coveyduck, patient relations Aaron Brown, Dr. Hadley, Dr. Barton, Dr. Pritchard, Dr. McGregor, Dr. Marky V, aka Tatiana V, name and file falsifier, the one that pretty much signed my death certificate by having me medically blacklisted to prevent me help and proof because of lies, time buying cover-ups, arrest refusals, false arrest, me being blamed for everything taking place against me, including my deforming, my identity changes, which I have shown and more than proven the crimes against me. Doctors who are criminally negligently involved, justice of the peace, obstructions, and accusations. Well, time has been bought because the damage is done, and there is nothing I can fucking do about this. My head has been deformed. It's swelled up right now. The longer this goes on without any help, the more it's gonna be worse for me, because I can't do a fucking thing about it while these pieces of shit are doing this to me. Me being the end of my bloodline, me being treated like a fucking puppet. Right now, I am being broadcasted through from R&M by one Dale Hartwick and one Tony Hearns. My skull and my brain and my body's been split, and they're using R&M on me and doing it. And you can clearly see where my skull's been fucking split. So, kind of funny how I'm starting to look like a redhead by times. By a bunch of fucking punks, by a bunch of pieces of shit who are meth heads and crack heads, who are accomplices with them for OPP. I spoke their crimes. This is revenge on me. There will be no mistaken identity with this. All you pieces of shit named and involved, you're going to answer for this criminally one way or another, whether you think so or not, just because you're police, doctors, and everyone else who are above the law. I spoke their crimes, the human trafficking and the homeless exploitation and other shit going on out of the mission. I became a target. 5 fucking years of this. My medical rights, my legal rights, my human rights have been taken. I can't even file any charges against cops because they'll be the ones investigating it. That's how the new system works. So nothing, once again, will be done. Jason can be Two-Step Van Alstyne and Tyler Teabag fucking Lake and the rest of you bastards. You need to be found and you are going to answer for this one way or another.